Welcome back to Learn Forex Trading by Trinetta Burrell. In this lesson, we'll discuss buying and selling currency pairs. Forex trading is the simultaneous buying of one currency and selling another, according to babypips.com. For example, if you buy the euro, you are selling it against another currency. Like in the case of the pair EUR-USD. When you buy the euro, you are selling the US dollar. So how do traders buy and sell currencies? Traders buy and sell currencies in pairs and through a Forex broker. What are the currency pairs? I'm glad you asked. There are three categories of currency pairs: the majors, the crosses, and the exotics. The majors are USD pairs, and they're the most frequently traded pairs in the world. For example, EUR-USD and USD-JPY. The minors are non-USD pairs, and they're also frequently traded, just not as frequently as the USD pairs. An exotic currency is a currency from countries with developing or emerging markets. Basically, an exotic currency pair includes one major currency alongside an exotic currency. Well, how many pairs can traders trade? There are 180 legal currencies in the world, as recognized by the United Nations, and Forex brokers tend to offer traders up to 70 of them. Well, that's it for now. To learn more about buying and selling currency pairs, join the School of Pipsology at babypips.com. In the next video, in this How to Trade Forex series, we'll go over Forex market size and liquidity. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this.